Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm just going to do that Japanese, the cracking effect, which is called Kintsugi or something like that. So that's what I'm trying to do. I have left, when I did this pouring, I left window open because I wanted paint to be cracked so I can fill with my gold paint. So for gold, I'm using this one. So I'm just going to fill this all cracks. So in this effect, what happens is any ceramic or something like that get deliberately broken and then join them together to get those beautiful effect. So I do this one and I'm going to wait until it dries and then I'll do the resin. Okay, so the all lines are filled up and I'm going to leave it to dry and then I'll put the resin in. So hello guys, has dried, and what I done in this one, in this gap where the cracks are, I have filled up silicone rubber on it because I had from less resin. So I got my resin mix. I'm using J Diction resin, and this is 1:1 and it's 4-hour demolding resin. So I'm just going to put So I have done it.